shaving, ember breaker, flame catcher, still the fire, and the shaving holder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shaving is still rough, so we need to roll this in our palm to become smooth.
Sorry to disturb you. The fire won't work.
Divide this into two. The tiny hole must be put in between. The tiny hole here. Shaving holder. This on top. And the ember breaker. Start rubbing. Start rubbing. Start slow. Kasi pag binigla mo, baka may sumingaw dun sa likuran. Okay? If you see the smoke comes out, need to increase your speed. Create more friction. My pants is burning. Flame catcher.
Kiri pala membadi Kenny ya. What is called?
Whoa!
Ano, dry leaves, dry bamboo.
Big hand.